Evaluate the following. This one is the next example. 18, number 1, 18a7 b squared over 6 cancel 18, you have 2. A and A is common. Pick 1. We have 7 divide 2, which is 7 minus 2. Next one is B. B and B is common. Pick 1. Then the up one, 2, since it is division sign, 2 minus 2. 7 minus 2, 5. 2 minus 2, 0, which is 2a5. Anything is power of 0 is 1, which is equal to 2a to power 5. Number 2. 3 1 minus 2n times 3 4 times 3 2n plus 2. 3 3 3 common, we pick 1. Write the up one. Times means plus 4 times means plus 2n minus 2 and is equal to 3. 1. Let's focus on the constant first before the ones with variables with n. So 1 does not have n, 4 no, 2 no. So 1 plus 4 5, 4 minus 2 3. Then the one with n minus 2n plus 2n 0. So we have this man here, which is equal to 27. Number 3. Pn plus 2 times p3 minus 2n all over p5 plus 3n is equal to p is common. Just pick 1. Then begin to write the up one. Here is times. Times means plus. Then write the next one. Here is divide. So divide means minus. Can we just say minus 5 plus 3n? No. Place it inside the bracket. Because when dealing with minus, you don't just write it like that. You introduce bracket first. Quote it inside the bracket. N plus 2 plus 3 minus 2n. Use the minus to open. Minus times 5. Then minus times plus is minus 3n is equal to, focus on the constant term first, 2 plus 3 5 minus 5 0 is out. N minus 2n is minus n. Minus n minus 3n minus 4n. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.